The Jamaica umbrella group of churches is predicting a further increase in antisocial behavior in schools. It says this will happen if the Ministry of Education imposes too many restrictions on devotions. The details in this report. An incident last year at Oberlin High in St. Andrew, where several students collapsed during a devotional exercise, prompted the education minister to issue draft guidelines to public schools for how devotions are to be conducted. But chairman of the Jamaica umbrella groups of churches, Dr. Elaine McCarthy, says the guidelines should not diminish the role of devotions in schools. She says the ministry should focus on the benefits of devotions in promoting discipline and other valuable social behaviors.
So instead of being so unkind to each other, they would maybe remember a verse or so that was shared with them at devotion, which would help to guide them in terms of how they would react to others around them. So the whole absence of this kind of spiritual environment, I think, has contributed significantly to the lawlessness in the schools. I really think so.
Meanwhile, Dr. McCarthy says there are children who only learn about religion from schools.
For some of them, they are not exposed to going to church, like either Saturday or Sunday. So when they come to school, then they would kind of get that exposure. Now, when you kind of take that away, either you reduce the time period, or instead of having it maybe on a daily basis, it might be once per week. So the whole effect of it becomes a little less than it was before.
And the Jamaica umbrella group of churches says it is in support of a recommendation for simultaneous devotions in schools to accommodate all students belonging to various religious groups. At present, mostly Christian devotions are held at schools.